Good morning students. Let's start today's lesson with chapter number 7, volcanoes. Today we are going to discuss about the causes and effects of volcanism. The mechanism of volcanism and volcanic eruptions is closely associated with several interconnected processes, such as increase of temperature. Gradual increase of temperature with increasing depth at the rate of 1 degree Celsius per 32 meter due to heat generated from the disintegration of radioactive elements deep within the earth. Not only temperature, there is a great pressure also. Origin of gases and vapor due to heating of water which reaches underground through percolation of rainwater and meltwater. The ascent of magma forces by enormous volume of gases and vapor, and finally the occurrence of volcanic eruption. Next point, theory of plate tectonics. Theory of plate tectonics now very well explain the mechanism of volcanism. According to this theory, the Earth's outer shell is divided into several plates. These are called tectonic plates. Major and minor plates are there, and they are constantly moving in nature. They float on asthenosphere. The movement and splitting of the major and minor plates of the earth cause cracks, crevices and fissures in the earth's crust, through which the magma is poured out. This picture shows the different types of plate movements. Most of the active fissure volcanoes are found along the mid-oceanic ridges, which represent splitting zones of divergent plate boundaries. Look at the map. In this map, mid-Atlantic ridge written here by red color. Okay. The mid-Atlantic ridge is a mid-oceanic ridge. It is a divergent plate boundary. So, what is divergent plate boundary? Look at the diagram. When two plates move in opposite direction, these are called divergent plate boundary. This splitting and lateral spreading of plates create fracture, through which magma move upward. Okay. Look at the direction of plates. Convergent plate boundaries are associated with explosive type of volcanic eruptions. What is convergent plate boundary? When two plates collide, comparatively heavier plate is subducted beneath the comparatively lighter plate boundary. The subducted plate margin, after reaching a depth of 100 km or more in the upper mantle, is melted and thus magma is formed. This is the diagram of convergent plate boundary. This magma is forced to ascend by enormous volume of accumulated explosive gases, and thus magma appears as violent volcanic eruption on the Earth's surface. Such type of volcanic eruption is very common along the convergent plate boundaries, which represent the volcanoes of the circum-Pacific belt. This is the most important belt of volcanoes and also known as ring of fire. Just follow the zone. Extends from South America up to New Zealand. Okay. Effects of volcanic eruptions. Positive and negative effects are there. At first, destructive effects of volcanic eruptions. Most of the volcanic areas are absolutely barren and inhabitable by man. Volcanic eruptions are disastrous, causing complete destruction. Tsunami or tidal wave is produced as a result of volcanic eruption. Constructive effects of volcanic eruptions. Sometimes lava activity is profitable to man. For example, lava plains are very fertile. All precious stones are formed within volcanoes. For example, diamonds in South Africa. The crater lakes serve as a great source of perennial rivers. And some volcanic spots are often areas of scenic beauty, hence of great tourist interest. Okay.